Well, hello friends, it's Amy Frillici with the Gathering Inkspiration Stamp Studio, and today I want to show you this super duper cute class to go that I'm offering. It features, so this is from our Stampin' Up! Occasions catalog, the 2018 Occasions catalog. On pages 36 and 37 of the catalog is the Myths and Magic suite of products. And look at, it's just such a cute, oh, what do I want to say? I mean, just kind of like a fairy tale suite of products that feature kind of over here. I'm going to try to zoom in so you can see the Magical Day stamp set. Look at all those fun images in there. They just make you want to smile, I think, when you see them all. And then what else? The Magical Mates Framelits that coordinate with those stamps in the Magical Day stamp set and cut a bunch of those images out for us. And then super fun, the Glimmer paper, the Myths and I don't know why I'm having such a hard time saying that. Myths and Magic. It's another tongue twister. Glimmer paper. So I'm calling it, it says it comes in iridescent, light green, and turquoise. And I think it looks a lot like Dazzling Diamonds, Lemon Lime Twist, and Bermuda Bay. So that's what I tend to call them. There is some washi tape in this suite. We didn't actually use that in these projects, but that would be really, really fun. It's super glittery as well. And then I think probably my most favorite part about this, the Myths and Magic Specialty Designer Series paper. And can you see all the fun imagery in that pack of paper? And it's got lots of, oh, what do they say about it? It says it's iridescent glitter designs on one side and then colorful all occasion imagery on the other side. So just a really, really fun suite of products. And I can't tell you how much fun I had playing with everything and putting these cards together. So let's go ahead and get started. I have actually 6 different options because I used, I don't know, well, I'll jump right in and kind of explain why I chose 6 different options for you, I guess, so you can, take your pick on what you need or what you already have, so you don't need to get it. So option number 1 includes the Magical Day stamp set and the Magical Mate Framelit. So you get the bundle of products. And then you also get 5 blends markers, and I'm going to show you how I used those. You get the light and dark Night of Navy, you get the light and dark Smoky Slate, and then this one is the Ivory. So there's just one in that. So all of that product, where should I put those so you can kind of see those too, right? Plus 4 cards, and then you're going to make 2 of each of them. So 8 cards all together. That option number 1 is $90. You also get to pick a free celebration item. So you get tons of product and then a bunch of cards that you can make as well. Okay, option number 2 is just including the Magical Day stamp set and then those 5 blends markers. So the 2 Night of Navy, the 2 Smoky Slate, and then the Ivory. It does not include the Magical Mates Framelits. So I always do all of your die cutting for you. So you don't have to have the Magical Mates Framelits, but if you would like them, make sure you get option number 1 because option number 2 does not include the framelits, okay? So the markers, the stamp set, and then 4 cards, 2 of each of them. That option is $63. You also get to pick a free celebration option with option number 2 as well, okay? Option number 3 is if you already have these Stampin' Blends markers, or if you have other markers that you think you can color with. I will tell you, I love these markers. So if you don't have them yet, this would be getting option number 1 or 2 so you can get the markers and play with them. You're going to fall in love with them if you get them in your hands. But if you do not need the markers, option number 3 is just the Magical Day stamp set, clear mount stamp set too, I should specify that. And then all 4 cards, 2 of each of them. That option number 3 is $37. Option number 4 is if you already have the Magical Day stamp set. So make sure, don't order option number 4 if you don't have the stamp set because you do have to do your own stamping with your own ink on all of these to-go kits. Okay, but if you already have the Magical Day stamp set, that's not included in option number 4. So it's the 4 cards, 2 of each of them, and then actually, let me back that out. You are going to get 3 of the blends markers. So this is kind of a little starter kit pack. You won't be able to get quite as much shading, I guess I would say, because you don't have the light and dark in actually the Night of Navy and Smoky Slate markers. Ivory only comes in one color anyway, so it won't have quite as much dimension on this little guy right here, and I'm going to show you him in just a sec. But this would be a great starter option for you. So that's option number 4, and that option is $32 to get the 3 blends markers and then 4 cards, 2 of each of them. Options 1, 2, 3, and 4 all ship priority mail, and that's an additional $7 to have them shipped to you. If you're local here to me in the Alma, Michigan area, you can select studio pickup, and then I just put everything in a bag for you down at the studio for you to pick up at your convenience. I have 2 more options for you. So option number 5 is just the PDF tutorial. And I don't know if I said that already or not, but you get the tutorial with all option number 1, 2, 3, and 4 so that you can put your cards together, right? But option number 5 is if you already have the stamp set and the framelits and the ink and the markers and everything you need. Basically, you're just going to get the step-by-step tutorial on how to cut and put your cards together. You don't get any product, okay? So that one is $15. And then option number 6, the last option, is for anyone that's in my downline in the Inkspired Stampers group. You can get the make and take, so all 4 cards, 2 of each of them. So you're going to get 8 cards. Make and takes, all the parts and pieces. I die cut everything for you. You will need to get your own stamps, but I want you to order that under your own demo ID so you can get your discount on your stamps and your markers and the framelits if you choose to. So that option is $12 for anyone that's in my downline in the Inkspired Stampers. And I will include a link with more information on joining my team and becoming an Inkspired Stamper, so then you can get all of these to-go kits at a significant savings as well. I think, because last time I forgot to mention the ink colors, so I want to make sure to show you guys. I'm going to do that in a sec because I think it'll make more sense once you see the card. So let's do that first. So you are going to make 2 of this Hope Your Day is Magical card. Super cute. I don't know if you can see. This paper is so much fun. Okay, so and then I do all your die cutting for you. So you'll have all of the parts and pieces and the ribbon. You just do your own stamping. So there's one, and then here, look at these. Oh my gosh, these little mermaids are so cute. So this is the second card. Here is the third card. Oh, that dragon is so much fun, and then more glitter on that paper as well. And then here's the last one, and this is why I've included those blends markers in the options for you. So you can, if I get close, if you can see that. So I used my light and dark Night of Navy on him, his outfit, I guess I'll say. So you can get a lot of really cool shading. If you get the other option, I think it was option number 4 that just includes the, say, light Night of Navy, you're just not going to get quite as much kind of blending and definition. It'll still look awesome because I did start out like that. I colored everything in the light Night of Navy, and then I kind of came back and shaded with some of the darker Night of Navy. Same thing with that smoky slate right there too. So it'll still look great, but I tell you, if you can get the light and dark markers and really play with them, they are so much fun to play with, and they just create so much kind of depth and dimension. So anyway, that's the last card. So you're going to make 2 of each of those. Ink colors that you need. So for example, on this card right here, you need your Tuxedo Black Memento ink, and you have to use this ink with your Stampin' Blends so that the ink doesn't bleed, okay? Then the other colors that you need are Fresh Fig ink, Basic Gray ink, Tranquil Tide ink, Lemon Lime Twist ink, and Bermuda Bay ink. Oops, excuse me, I'm kind of throwing things there. So let me know if you have any questions on these to-go kits. RSVPs for the kits are due by Friday, March 23, and then expected shipping date is April 4. Because what happens is on March 23rd, I get everybody's RSVPs in, I order everything. It takes about a week to 10 days for everything to come to me and then get it all packaged up and shipped back out to you. So that's why RSVP is on the 23rd, and then expected shipping is on April 4. So let me know if you have any questions. The links to purchase any of those options are going to be in the details to the YouTube video, so you can click right on that link and then purchase away. But let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to get you set up with this super cute to-go kit, the Myths and Magic to-go kit. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye, everybody.